Tune into Innovations and you'll hear about molecular farming and the innovative steps to add value to the cane industry by turning sugar wastes into profits.
We're trying to increase the different products that we produce so that we can make lots more revenue for the sugar industry.
For the first time, researchers simulate the common cold virus.
That in itself is a world first because for some you could consider the virus like an organism, although it needs the human host to reproduce itself.
And how an Australian vaccine is helping fight famine in Africa.
So we're now getting milk from chickens because the women are eating better, they've got more birds, so the women are able to lactate.
Join me, Desley Blanche, for Innovations. Sunday morning at 6:30 Bangkok time, 11:30 in Suva on Radio Australia.
Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012 Remastered.
So far we've received and are playing entries from
Solomon Islands, Samoa, PNG,
Vanuatu, Micronesia, New Caledonia, Fiji, American Samoa.
And the list goes on.
Wow!
Would you like to have your music played on Radio Australia's FM stations all around the Pacific and on our website all round the world? Would you like to have your song on the Pacific Break 2012 CD? Well, we're waiting.
Radio Australia's Pacific Break 2012 Remastered.
If you're an amateur musician in the Pacific, send us your best original song. It could start you on a whole new journey.
When we heard the band's name in the top of the Pacific Break, we really enjoy.
Details are at radioaustralia.net.au/Pacific Break.
Round long Pacific, you Paraman Wantem Radio Australia long shortwave FM na live streaming.
Na trapla gunai true igo long you welcome long talk vision stream broadcast long display Fonday night 6 long display moon September me Peter Jonah joining me long to the night Paulus Combo producer Blomi, leg time by Toksawe long all top story. That's all me Toksawe long you, listener, you are in broadcast. Question Blomi, play like me like putting me go long you long when him something true is make him na people or all marry, especially so like still him picking me long house long narapla when him ask or reason people like still him baby or like picking me question me putting me go long you because a whole up list long Port Moresby in Sasim one play young play Mary long still him one play baby long narapla behind long Maria go inside long house na still him display baby 4 day old so you can SMS number blomi pla plus 61427727272 na also mitopinis also when I'm now asked long while Mary like still him baby long narapla na how by all you can stop him long country. All right, you may look long all top story belong to the night. Paulos when I'm now all big plus story belong you me.
Thank you, Peter. Long all top story to tell night. Catholic parish in Sad Long Hab Long Kimbe Long West New Britain province Long Papua New Guinea. He support him or he talk welcome. Long one block commission of inquiry go inside Lo Despla Sip Rabaul Queen Ibn Capsat Long En. Hohola Pilis inside long Port Moresby lo Papua New Guinea. I work long sasim now 24-year-old Mary blo Western Highland Province long all sas long stilim one pla piginini. Na one pla Australian Business Lobby Group I togol sem plandi all public sector I work long iku head lo kamapim all ting now long kamapim plandi all strike long straightim all ting cross long walk. Something all top story.
Good luck, Paulus. Maybe pla looking you long 7:30 now. Papua New Guinea time. All right, long all another story. By me pla bringing me go long you long this pla for the night broadcast. Pacific Islands Forum. He must come up in sampla sanis long strong in belief long people. Nipla newsletter long Kiunga housing story long walk long this pla rural housing long Papua New Guinea. Plenty reaction long Papua New Guinea long report long MV Rebel Queen I bungin birwa na killing people. Papua New Guinea police sasim one pla young pla Mary long still him one pla baby na Vanuatu Education Department I got plan long come up him sanis long school curriculum long all story by you can have him long to the night one time all narapla. You walk long, sit down, Harim broadcast long, when him up, greetings, long display time, you Harim radio again, me plating nice pla evening, also long me pla time long spring, all diwai, Karim all flower, also na, me pla walk long kiss him time too long and is a give me pla, hey few also sneeze all at the time, me talk na, me like walk him, excuse me. All right, na, he got some pla music too, long, kickstart him long to the night meeting you saw long last week that's all Paulus Combo been stop long or play music and a story like one time one talk long long Pacific been story na stop yet long here long Melbourne me like talk long make him some all concert long raise him some money long all one talk long Solomons mis talk long Shazi na also me talk by kickstart him broadcast long me long this Thursday night na story one time Paulus that's all by sampler music long long when him happy you are him have music long make him you feel good long kind time you stop also long Harim Radio Australia talk listen broadcast
long Samoa long Asia Pacific region.
Join him Peter Jonah Monday, Iguina long Friday.
Long Radio Australia, talk in service.
Now time now 5 minutes, losing 7 o'clock. Okay, all the time. It's singing to Sol You Lever. And words belong, music belong, Saji, and me talk penis last week Friday, story one time Paulus Combo, and I stop yet long here, long display time. Pacific Islands Forum meeting, even penis last week, the sol long Rarotonga, long Cook Islands, the sol sampla all walk long Pacific Islands Forum, been kissing good blood look save, come long sampla all saveman inside long region. Executive Director, long Pacific Institute, long Public Policy, long Vanuatu, Derek Brain, he talked last week on some Pacific Islands Forum by Kisim Gudplaluk Save, suppose Emino Kamapim Sampla Sanis, long way, Emi make him walk blong One long old worry, blong Derek Bryan, long passing blong Cook Islands, Australia, na New Zealand, where only been talk also Fiji, he must stop suspension, he must stop behind him suspension yet, long forum, Maski planti all Arapla member country been like Halvim Fiji long emi move ECC come back long democracy. Aste Derek Brian been talk one time John Papik.
Lo startem event here where it been happening local Islands he just finished. He show him out the forum anyone important meeting lo or leader lo Pacific region or he come together lo one time lo 1 year lo discuss them all issue lo importance lo concern where you make up land say I think importance lo meeting here any come under question from all bilateral discussion where you go ahead lo sideline lo big fella meeting here more to say all focus equal lo post forum dialogue where all another fellow country really comes to down lo discussion especially all aid project lo reaching here. So this year UNICEF say Hillary Clinton and become first time one Secretary of State for US and become lo attend them post forum dialogue and he give him plenty attention equal lo event here where it happened after lo leaders summit lo Pacific Islands Forum. Part lo concern here say role lo forum or someone meeting place. You know got question land. Anyone important something. Role blow forum blow implement them all decision or priority blow all member states. And then now I got problem land. And you need to say before forum meeting here, I've been got one independent review. It come out from direction blow all leader last year lo summit blow get only request them or the commission one independent review. Where review here me come out with some plenty recommendation lo side lo organizational or management structure lo forum secretariat. Lo address some plenty concern with Yumi Haram long time past. Lo side lo implementation role lo forum secretariat. And I think part lo concern now say or leader lo Cook Island only look lo review here. Only decide say lo make many changes. Barely wait 1 year bargain, blow commission one another review, lo side lo Pacific plan.
Explain Cam when you said the forum, emi foul or confused long walk, emi sawa doim. Despla now you mean what?
Well, suppose you may go back to the review here, where independent review here, where all leaders only been commissioned. Emi review here, he show them out where forum now role blame of them one secretariat lo one important regional meeting. Meaning say role lo secretariat now enemy should be premier policy or political organization inside lo Pacific. Enemy now should be role lo that down. Problem from forum now with them all funding where you come inside, all donor funding you come inside, lo cover them up all different kinds of things. Forum any step involved lo all implementation lo project. More with them all logistics, lo run them all meetings, role lo support them, or lo give them all political or policy advice. Equal lo all leader, enemy go down from all distraction here from project implementation role. And I think our biggest criticism was Yimi Haram lo side lo forum. You know, I say you know got all key people inside lo forum secretariat. And you say you got full up capable and experienced and valuable thinking inside lo forum secretariat. And you know problem rest is priorities lo secretariat or someone organization. I think main something that will go back lo political no policy role blame lo support them regional meeting lo or leaders.
Narapla concern blue you Brian Emlong now we got all regional grouping. Is it because forum you know doing in Naples and you may look more kindly grouping you walk along come up long Pacific?
We got some concern beside law relevance to forum where you go back many years now. You may all talk here, you know you fella talk you may live on the Pacific. You may have a long time finish now. And part of the problem here say UNICEF say Pacific and you know one easy area blow you got one voice no more. You may all different countries, you may got all different interests, economic, political, social, you may got all different cultures. I think any natural say you may got all sub-regional grouping. where or grouping losait lo Melanesia, Micronesia, Polynesia, lo Isavini. Motu yumi that all grouping losait lo issue lo all issues such as fisheries. For example, the parties to the Nauru Agreement, PNA. We think say anyone positive step, and I think no one threat law yumi got one strong regional voice, and I think pull up now only start to say yes, yumi look at strong regional representation. Yumi must got strong sub-regionalism from all different interests. Law yumi look at this. Mean say. Possible to got some collective interest, and you show out the history of the forum that yes, you can got success beside law regional representation. I think it's important to recognize now say all 14 independent island countries. Everyone knows say map, you got different interests. So sub-regionalism one threat something. One threat law regionalism. Problem with them all concern with them forum. For example, with them Fiji. Before forum meeting, plenty leader lo Pacific only stand up for balance. Yes, Fiji should come back inside. Every time forum you come out, say no, for Fiji no come inside because sometimes lo election. So say you may not look Fiji because sometimes lo 2015 or after. Okay, you may understand the political situation here now with them Fiji. You look, all leaders or countries, law Pacific, what is that engage with them Fiji through all another fellow mechanisms? For example, only some law meeting here where Fiji government is out them engaging with Fiji. Others only engage with them Fiji through law Pacific grouping, outlaw ACP, the African Caribbean Pacific group. Or get Melanesian countries or you start engaged through the MSG. And increasingly, you start look, say, all Micronesian sub-regional grouping with more country law Polynesia too, or I only start to engage through the Fiji, through the MSG.
Finally, Brian, recent forum meeting, Mible looking to Cook Islands, Australia and New Zealand. We've been asking forum long gone, long suspending Fiji, even though plenty all Pacific member country long giving Fiji sample chance, long working towards democracy. How now you look into this long triple country? Yeah?
Well, you may understand position law to fellow country, yeah, and you got some country law Pacific too, only that same thinking. For example, you may say we good thinking law Prime Minister or Samoa or something. So not just Australia or New Zealand. I think losait lo practical level now, say full up country lo Pacific, some just talents, only find a more different kind of way to engage with them Fiji. From plenty law countries, only got national interest in stuff, got relationship with them one big economy law region per union. So I think law functioning law regional body, yeah, you may understand say anyone politically sensitive issue. They do, I think, you've been facing problem here since 2006 and I suppose also more criticism where independent review here at forum maybe show them out. And again, or something where you may have a long time or talk here. Problems say time where all leaders only come out for one leader summit, only no address them or difficult decision here. The longer you may leave a more decision here, the harder blow find them one solution left. And I suppose any now concerned. There's a time where you may talk about relevance to the forum. And you're now concerned. Meaning say you may should scrap a meeting. Can you tell them to start to talk there? Look at one regional meeting with leadership. And you one good for the family. Look, talking about difficult issue, more got all tough political decisions to make them. You may have announced a forum and straight place law, got action law or something.
Brian, thank you too much long. Come up and you story with this, but thank you too much long. Joining Vlalo Radio Australia.
Thank you too much, John.
Yoharim Derek Bryan, Executive Director, Blong Pacific Institute, Blong Public Policy, Long Vanuatu, na Yoharim, and me talk one time, John Papik.
Radio Australia, you can harim long 102.1 FM Long Lay.
All right, we go now long Kiunga, long Western Province, long Papua New Guinea, where long Moon March na July display year, Kiunga Hausik even put him out #1 newsletter blong all. Display newsletter, he got plenty all story blong Hausik yet, all Walkman Mary, all plan blong Nupla building na too, how display Hausik, Sabe got full-time doctor. Newsletter, he give him sample picture long walk na life long display rural area na service he go long people long province. Thomas Tepend, director long nursing long Hausik, and we got more long 10 year experience na also and we talk him Kenya Kala big plus silence bung him all at the time long all walk man Mary long Hausik.
Yeah, Kyongpa me stop in the North Fly district, long Western Province. Kyongpa District Hospital is in the stop in Chelong township long Kyongpa itself, and look out in population of about 50 to 60,000, and then it's a government hospital. We play at the present time we play at 2 blood doctors who are only contracted one time JTA, but in the last 12 years we play no at government doctors we play at long government hospital here. So 2 blood JTA doctors only stop on them we play here now.
Thomas Milukim there's la issue 1 blong Volume 1 don there's la new plan newsletter blong Kiunga Hospital. Why no you play put him or come up him newsletter blong you go long who's that through?
Long as ticking blong display newsletter and we like him or public na community must look survey also me play long display housing and me play no at what will I say maybe I think me play no at display manpower stuff. We play no at all stuff long display housing where we can look at him the population number that we play get long here. That's why we play like him all community must look survey and we play think long put him in newsletter go out long all public na community now not like in survey also we play in down also long display housing.
All right, long listeners long because me play broadcasting along Solomon Islands na Vanuatu too, Thomas. All you got plenty all one walk people long plenty rural health center and rural clinic. You got say mark was some plenty sort is come up health. Talking me lo this all challenge play you go pass long nursing staff.
Yes, long all the health we play long Kyongpa district itself and we look out him 2 government health sub centers. Okay, long display and staffing situation is the problem we play survey got and it's still staff yet also. So we play in a survey one time through display staffing situation by it will be settled and handled and me no clear to us. So this is the problem we play got long not fly long Kyongpa is happening out in the health sub centers and in the communities to display something come up also too.
But Miliko me got good story come up because by a big some facelift a new ward na kind of same or installation by come up.
Yes, this time we through the negotiation all this play something come up, but again it's maybe like him long manpower and we must go on up because long here it's a mining minded area now. Yeah. Like him also plenty of money, at this time now it's influx of population he come out. Time will come now and we play still we are really we play no what is manpower long handling all these situations. Also like also all CSW long 1+ shift. 2 long 1+ shift or even 1 long 1+ shift time not play me sick no good too much because we need to give the best treatment, the best care to the public and we must get enough manpower stuff long every shift because it can operate long 24 hours shift rosters here.
Because not plus side belong in stop and halving belong or some mining company you play I suppose you play some plenty halving but thing him or land long rural area where like house or clinic is that.
True. Long all this health substances. It's hardly that in one plus service you go along all villages. One time all this walkman married to long all else. I think it's only one CSW. One nursing officer that's already got in this population, or maybe more than 1,000, or maybe more than 3,000.
The other one, we look him was some last question because all get house he got this chaplaincy, yeah. Na mi look house blue plateau, me got nurses Christian fellowship. Me look one write up where Pastor Spencer, I think him is go pass long pastoral care, spiritual well-being. Me look him write or some where God is in charge, all things will be possible to carry. So anyway, was you know, one good half long house chaplaincy side long all sick line.
No. And we put him long this year, I think May we ask him we kiss him come and set long. Also because you know we paying him manpower and short now we paying him all at least spiritual willpower must come and set so that because Kimba Hospital is dominated by only CSWs and nursing officers. People asking him to come and set so that he will and by walk blame no spiritual part of it. That's why people asking him now. People must do also and Mr. One day people along hospital staffing blame people.
I'm Director Blong Nursing, Long Kiunga Housing, Long Western Province, Long Papua New Guinea, Thomas Tapend. Now, people like put him question Ken long you long toksave lo you long also when him something is I make him na people or marry save like steal him all pikini long housing long all narpla when him all reason or ask long people he like steal him baby or lick pikini question me put him he go long you because all our police long Port Moresby he says him one pla young pla marry long steal him one pla baby. Behind long Maria, he go inside long house na still him baby 4 day old. So here can SMS blomipla plus 61-427-727272. You think also when him ask na all Mary he like still him baby blong narapla or how only can stop him long country. Lick Time by Paulus Combo. He joining with me long number one news. Now you stop one time talk this in broadcast long Radio Australia. The time now long news. Let me 7:30 long Papua New Guinea.
Radio Australia News, me Paulus Combo. In Satlong, Papua New Guinea, Vicar General blong Catholic Diocese blong Kimbe, long West New Britain Province blong Papua New Guinea, Gabriel Tovo. Ibn Togolsem Parish or Lotu blongem, he welcome him all walk panin blong one pla commission of inquiry. He go in Satlong Despla Sibra Baul Queen, Ibn Capside longen. Desplasibi bin capside long moon February igo penis na something also 140 people been die longen. Government itogosem and by behind him Despla Ting blong commission. Despla commission ibin panim olsem Despla online ibin avrisim mag blong all pass India na ibin Karen blong sip na tu Despla sip ino bin good pla long operate long all time no good na we olibin na we desala ibin bungem big pla birwa na ibin ko capside inside long sholwara mag blong Morobe province behind long emibin lusim Kimbe. Gabriel Tuvo, ibin talking Pacific beat, all family member blong all Despla line. We said ibin ko lose long Despla birwa, he like look him all Despla line, he come up him asua longen, he must san up long I blong court. Hohola police inside long Papua New Guinea, I woglong sasim 1+24-year-old Mary blong Western Highland Province long all sas blong still him 1+ baby. Despla trouble been come up long Tunde long despla week behind long despla Mary been go inside long Port Moresby General Hospital na still him 1+4 day baby tam mama blong any been go stop was. Story been toggle sem despla Mary Western Highlands been still in baby long en been serviced up long Morata settlement na 1+ Mary Goroka 2 long despla settlement been niko karan picking in East up long Port Moresby Hospital long despla time na ami been giaman long igolukim despla Mary I karan picking in East up long en long hospital. That's all big pla ting ting blong em I blong put him eye long or lig baby long hospital na only been talk despla emi no first time emi been walking despla. Long tunde blong despla week now despla Mary I been still in picking long en I been go inside na still in despla 4 day picking blong 1+ Mary Kikori inside long Gulf province long Papua New Guinea. 1+ Australia Business Lobby Group been towards them all public sector union I woglong iku het long come up all ting ting now blong come up all strike blong straight him all ting ting cross long all place blong walk. James Glendy been report I come long Parliament House all some number I show him now the so long this time long Australian Bureau of Statistics I show him also number been equal antap long number long all day been save loose long en long all kind strike all some. Peter Anderson long Australian Chamber of Commerce na industry been told some despla ino good pla long all business. That's all said Kenny, blong Australian Council of Trade Union, been told some all business in need more strong workplace law. And we told some long all strike now the soul, all conservative state government close to I down him health na education system. And we been told some number long all industrial action or strike inside long Australia, no big pla, or some all marapla. All bank belong Australia, I toggle some all got strong belief all by supporting passing or receive make him or sasim all fee long all customer belong all long 1+ high court where plenty thousand all customer belong all I sasim all now. Emi 1+ big court case true where more long 170,000 all customer belong all big bank I kiss him all bank belong all go long court. Federal court even put him mark long sample long all case all some long credit card fees. That's all ruling belong high court even told some I think all by bunging one time 2 all case belong all dishonor fees over limit fees inside long all display challenge too. Andrew Watson belong Maurice Blackburn even told some Emmy 1+ big win through. That's all Philip Chronican belong ANZ Bank even told some bank it can show him all area or the service him all fee longan. All President belong America Bill Clinton been make him all good plan a strong plan talk. He ask him all people belong America long vote him or make him Ken Barack Obama I go back all the same president. Newsman inside or reporter inside long North America Jen Cohen report he come long Collard long North Carolina all this been told some Mr. Clinton is supporting Mr. Obama. Na ito kama mas long way mi been controlling economy, social policy na maki memolasem 1+ man ilu cool long our side na inside mi get strong ting ting long America. Na this has been Radio Australia News.
Paul's combo by come back in long 8:30 long bring him last pla news.
Across the Pacific, you're with Radio Australia.
Plenty people have been talk out long all radio na newspaper na all social media long Papua New Guinea behind long government. He put him report long big bureau long MV Rebel Queen. More long 100 na 4+10 people now he been die long this bureau long number 2 day long moon February this year. Deputy Prime Minister Leo Dion been making plenty strong talk long Peter Sharp, man who sat on him display ship time me put him report there igolong parliament aste. Prime Minister Peter O'Neill he talk igut pla na now display report he come out na by government is strong him all law long run him ship service inside long country. Na got plenty kind talk or he talk out long all kind news media long display story. Newsman long Port Moresby from Mananol he talk more long display.
Kimi sabe plenty live ilusa more long 142. Na inong good long making politics long display heavy where all people long Jimmy long Papua Kini bongim. Reported me come out. Reported talk. Owner or Papa long or display Rabaul shipping company na Rabaul Queen ship. Inong been straighten good or boat or ship long en all been bakarap non up long run long. Solwara na carry more passenger. Emi overload him. Minister service him na he broke him all maritime safety laws. You know, put him on life jacket na lifeboat and up long or ship. So all lives he lose. Na recommendation long inquiry he talk long. Only must prosecute him na sassy him. And now we start long and long police na office long public prosecutor. You mean not talk yet. Early to mass report by all appropriate authority. It look long especially National Maritime Safety Authority. Long only can make him one long display all recommendation. Mr. Peter O'Neill passed long any Muslim country long ego long APEC meeting long Russia. So any good plan this report come out. Government now by strong him all get a law. Look out him run long all passenger ship na boat na cargo ship inside long all Solwara long Papua New Guinea by this plug and every no can come up all boat he run good. Only raised the good. Emi safe. Water na good plan na inokan dislagan every come again.
Na also manem lo public lo Papua New Guinea ikat sample comment I come out.
Plenty long Facebook na social media only there's me want to comment long ono long display boat and the Rabaul Queen Peter Sharp. Only talk Peter Sharp been talking display commission of inquiry also display this come up he come up long boat or big man na one plug kind rogue wind or one to wind way inong good long emi come na ipagrabi more but plenty to emi nong good because emi nong good represent emi give emi sare or some board long emi pagrab emi use him all kiaman all weather information charts it was him all captain long em na do all workman na crew long overloading all passengers larem all rolling all ship go long all warai rough so embassy taking full responsibility emi thinking that's all long money na ino thinking safety and life long all passengers one plaka in man where the media na line to it also and not allow him or narap la white man na 7 man long harab long boat long head long one moli by save also boat long em non good to get na non good la to mas long run long common passengers long also wara also is na long kimbe na fitaf and long more of the province where he been sink like killing plant line die.
Now, Femin, behind him this pla talk blow you mean to pla long aste na mi pla broadcasting long Radio Australia. Mi pla put him out sample ask him too long people is have answer or give him ting long all that. So plenty people only respond long SMS he come long mi pla na sample only talk also mi talk ya na sample he talk too. I think emi more better this pla man Peter Sharp he pay him compensation long all people where life belong all family blow lose na something all same. When him now sample kind talk he come up if not long report alongside long compensation.
Well look before government giving sample money long help him list 246 survivors long by all colors na payment school fee long all this sample plenty of survivors been all Sumatini la go school long colleges na universities long Highlands region na lay. So the one awesome good something long plenty all one talk or mama papa or line blow yumi or country illusion or Mary Pikini na or line blow all long display boat he die. But even if compensation by God that's all display heaven a worried long losing or family belong all because long one passing way straight display shipping company making long caramel passengers na overloading time boat long all on good plan na whether it rough. By stop yet long heart na mind na soul belong all display line way losing all family na relatives belong all. But more better you good by only looking display man or some recommendations long this commission of inquiry, he go inside long Rabal Queen, he talk, mas, he make himself and go callable.
Newsman Blue long Port Moresby from Mananol, even talk one time, Sem Seke. Ohola Police Station, long Port Moresby, long Papua New Guinea, he walk long Ready Mall walk, long Sasim Wanpla, 2-4-year-old Mary, long Western Highlands Province, long Old Sas, long still him Wanpla baby. This plus he been come up long Tunde, long this week, behind long this Mary, he been go inside long Port Moresby General Hospital, now still him Wanpla 4-day-old baby, time mama blong him ego was. Paulus Combo, he got more long display report.
Story equals desela Mary Western Highlands still in baby longen. Isa establo Morata settlement na Wanpla Mary Goroka 2 blo desplay settlement. Ikaran pikin in establo Port Moresby Hospital. Na desela Mary haken giaman lo go visit him desplay Mary Goroka na pikin in blong lo hospital. Tasol nogad. Isa giaman iko kam long desplay house sick planitam na put him eye long all pikin in lo hospital. Lo tunde blo despa week now, desela Mary still in pikinini longen, he go inside na still in 4-day pikinini blong 1 Mary Kikori inside long Gulf province. Me been talk to one time Senior Constable Yako Guambon, who said he walk ready now, blong Sasim despa Mary, long story long you miliglig longen.
Okay, actually the incident happened on Tuesday this week. Islamary I'm go come long labor work for some time. I'm not going to relative lab. I'm go come nothing. There was one lady I'm long for I'm looking and been start too long ward bed 62. So this Mary I'm still in Pikinia. They all live at the same place in Lomorata. So Mary Brokaya, I'm go long carrying baby now. This woman appear from nowhere. I'm going and look for some. The woman is also a staff on them. I'm going to talk on them and then I met Mary plenty baby inside lah. So Mary go in long ward now. Me knows I want a business long. I'm intending to steal one of these little babies. So I'm going to at Mary plenty baby. There are a number of babies that I'm going to go carry more, like more story one time more mama blong. On Sunday, I'm been carry monthly baby and I may come out. I don't know. I'm like carry me go. I'm like carry me tasol. I want to nest even acting him. I'm go back put in this baby. And then all looking more some 8 hours I'm by appear. Now I'm by go stop on them Mary Goroka. And then by start long story one time all narapla mama low ward inside low ward. Go carry more babies long or put him go back. Then go carry narapla. We go in up Tuesday. I'm go come up and this Mary Goroka by discharge. This la car pretty I'm go hagen. I'm go na I'm kiss him. I'm go looking baby, this la baby now I'm kissing him. I'm stop long bed 44. So I'm go story one time mama blow baby I'm carry him legally, put him and go back. Now mama blow baby I'm like Olosawa. I'm like was. Time I'm go out, bed 62, Mary Goroka stop. I'm discharged now. I'm discharged now, so all by go out. I'm wanting baby blind by go out. Time all come out, this la Mary, still Mary and we talk about one time only come that's all. Bed 44 I'm stop the doorway straight. Now baby I'm sleep, mama blind go open his low shower. I'm not come back. So I'm all come and I'm picking the soul. I'm wearing Mary blouse and then want a coat on top and scared. So probably I must put him inside long coat now and he come out. I'm newborn, yes, so I'm 4 days old baby. Mary still in baby and I think I must hide him inside the coat or something so. Or security no not long looking. Or check out long. Baby blow Mary Goroka so. The Mary I'm just walk past the son and come out.
This la Mary look young plan Mary or mama?
I'm 24 years old. Mary still in baby, I'm 24 years old.
All kind something also I'm supposed Mary I'm no more lo. I can something wrong long head long him or can check up can something also you plan or walk him yet.
No God. But she's okay. I'm good plan Mary.
No more. I mean talking you plan why when I'm reason I'm walking or
after this I'm conduct him record of interview. That's when I'm talking me all get something about that time. Mary I come back I'm finding baby no that I'm go talk solo security or run low get up inside low work. You go out, check him, no got sign. So only way we must come to police station or all report. That was 10 o'clock in the morning, baby loose, and then all report him long 406 lab. Story also, we got Mary Goroka discharge go Morata, so we have to go to Morata the same night. Me go lahap, me go talk Latubla, Mary go and talk. House long or stop lahap side, but I'm not come. What's her name? I'm me no sawel name. So me explain consequences. When I'm something by come up, if I'm no assisting police law helping me long.
give him information. You will be held responsible because all these times he's been frequenting your bed. Kami talk Osem now, I'm talking. Man long I'm Osem. Tupla talking me. Nipla by helping. Or go straight to house, or raid him house, no area. Or no. I'm kirap nungu, I'm come open. All go inside or check them over, they couldn't see the baby. I'm kirap tanya, I'm throw my bed sheet na karamapin and pastor. All like come out now looking bilum the baby hangama. So all go back, check in, I'm all like up in blanket straight, or looking baby sleeves. All up in pasol, karami come out, or give him long. Mama long is like Goroka Mary. All police kisi Mary come lock him long. Get to police station, all karam baby I got on the morata. Mary I'm lost. I'm stuck on the Nibla. I'm still stuck here. After this, we'll conduct a record of interview and then Nibla Salim and Wolo, Borko Cell, long waiting time the appearance.
One prolong all kind story by Iporech plan the old mama. All by Pilimosem can something or some come up long all body got this like kind thing. So when them can warning or talk look out, you police like put him out.
Long old mama. Especially Lord is like an long case, long this Mary law there. And we looking motion. The problem is with the security there. Like you said, suppose he didn't get camera or just like something by AC. Long cutting down just like something or side blow. Long side long or mama lo road, maybe. And now you may look motion. One cutting and lose finish now. It's better that time you walk about or legally picking you away. Without housing. Only not up long. Get home, suppose only lose or this like you must hold him hand long all time you walk about the road or this like that. So that not long experiencing this like something. I think some we don't know. No would only planting man only get this like those who don't have kids all start now thinking by that picking me this like all not long that so all no got choice all by like making this like passing on kissing or picking me. And good long. You like around long 1.5 you must all in man long picking you go good long time you walk about.
Yoharim Senior Constable Yako Guambom Usat, he walk long ready all walk, long sasim disciplinary, long all sas, long still in Pikini, he talk one time Paulus combo, me play, up long kissim side story, long Port Moresby General Hospital, long display because only been stopped long meeting. Vanuatu Education Department got big ting now long come up in Sampla Sanis long school curriculum long all primary and secondary school long country. Also now long last week looking Sampla all school teacher he been stop inside long one pla training school long Halivim long stop inside long this pla big pla Sanis education department curriculum development unit he been ting long come up in. Charlie Robert Principal Education Officer, not today. He talked one time John Papik long importance long this plus sanis.
Poten lo regime national curriculum lo imilovano tu le statem lo sai lo ia 11 ya to le 13 e mi completinis. Ol sile bases pre completinis. And then vle me lo kindergarten ni kam kasem lo ia 3 wotem lo ia 4 to 6 em sta lo progress. So lo metel class na em ia 7 ya 9 ia 7 ya 8 ya 9 ya 10. Mena ba training plan mi go pro teacher li anda take me so that all ke tama bambali me gam connection lo curriculum do primary gam lo chunia mo kata lo chunia ko lo senior so emena important why now o kata review ya mambai master embles trainer mo teacher last week pro kata li anda take me exercise ya kata li anda take me exercise lo all coming money so emika so me review lo ya 7 mo ya 8 ya 9 mo ya 10 lo connect with them ya 11 to 13 mo I connect with them year 1 to year 1 to year 6. So that number limit preaching.
Explain all main area long changes long primary and secondary school. You like looking all changes by happen.
I think all main changes will happen by happen. There's one introduction lo matatang blamia lo venagila. Venagila no se mi must come inside the system from one from the research emission self being implemented we got good command law matatang dota lo language lo kata ol sabe lan beta lo or nafla language or second language not only him be ka man lo Vanuatu emi advocate mo emi wandem lugim se imi promote mo time maintain culture blame because culture blame time emi staff emi make him see me that identity blame staff reason why matatang me must come inside the system so not only that reason for cultural reason may emi kat one pedagogical reason. Yang mo sa pedagogical dimension em step inside. And not only for economical reason too. From time where pinini oli sa gut matatang blogata, oli present kalsa blogata, then oli sa mekem atam craft or sa ito wanem visual mo performing up. Baga sa mga semya mabali promote through law learning area. So that is very important to maintain them. So one lo change sumbe kamar lo primary level, one introduce matatang. And one mo install lo secondary, we mekem se in otap lo ol pinipimi lo pathway lo learning blogata lo year level, lo subject area, or lo one lo learning area, by all keta subject area, we make them connections right from the kindergarten up to year 18. So, emena hemi sam lo keta changes we emi taken place lo national system or national curriculum review lo Vanuatu. And emi ko kut meeting similar stand lo time, by we finishing more syllabus lo kut time. So for them question play, you got something where pamplay hangem tu lo side lo tunya, we no kat emi all technology subject. Some lo tivet program we start happen mo lo vocational mo training school, pambay nit lo implement sangem lo side lo general academic study. Emi in otap lo per mo piginita mo lileko general academic study, for example, year 8, year 9, year 10, or year 11, year 12, 13, but they got some background, some supposedly want them go more specialized, lo vocational training centers. So, emi one need for something to do, emi put them step inside. And also something we make them too, you may make them say grouping blood subject, give more choices lo beginning, not limiting choices lo time, grouping blood subject too, emi one lo arrangement we stop. According to the timetable, we fly rearrange them too, to give you more beginning, more chance to develop them potential blogata. If you say one way system limit before you start making, you start promoting no more white collar job. You want them to promote them all elites, you want them to promote them potential every beginning we got potential blow, and you develop one them sector, one them area learning. And now you want them to offer them one system where you have capture them all needs here, all being blame. So that curriculum blame, and more relevant, more contextualized, and meet him suitum need people of Vanuatu at a rural area or place where the
Plenty country long region only use him something only call him outcome based education because structured long way that respect him development belong all school beginning and principal belong way only line him. Any reason, another reason why you play working the changes happen?
Yes, from one way in suppose you look plan the law books lo say lo curriculum lo Pacific region, I think lo internet say 10, 15 years pass. Well go Mr. Putum lo textbook lo beginning lo chetan say a student should be able to so emi kaine bamba minimum make by milunum say student bamba must demonstrate them. They must demonstrate them. So learn outcome based education emi ko lo emena. So that yes, you must outcome based education from one curriculum model where emi respect them people and respect planted. How beginning develop one all principle of teaching where emi straight only recognize lo some lo theories where you recognize and the one emi ko le one approach only call them constructivism. So constructivism emi one approach where emi recognize them all prior learning lo beginning before you put them on all the notion or the skills or knowledge equal ahead lo beginning and that the one emolisa but must based on what you know already. You know so make them know what something we just come from tablus and then will be installed to that. So when it happen, constructivism or outcome based education, one model where respect and plan their principles here. Lo society blame lo Melanesian country also. You say plan the time me page no more one oral tradition full of something you'll not write them. Pay thousand and thousand of knowledge and skills where start lo brand lo all man blame me and say block start them out. So system blame me must respect them. How all approach lo teaching. How no something all man only teaching all blame all teaching me all get knowledge skills must develop mo kata sa lo curriculum blame. So make them say enhance mo help them kutol pini blame all get all learn lo one system way how get write them.
You've been Woklong Harim Charlie Robert, Principal Education Officer, one time Vanuatu Education Department. He talked one time John Papik. Na, mi pla like talk save, also long question long mi pla long to the night, long also story long pikini narpla Mary I stilim na using also when him something is a make him na people or Mary is a like stilim pikini long narpla long house when him has or reason long people is a still him na how by you make can stop him and behind him a story also you are him long news whole place long National Capital District he says him one pla young pla Mary long still him one pla baby long narapla Mary baby 4-day old 4 pla day sol na I stop long house sick one time mama I go was na narapla I come na kisim na SMS number blomipla plus 61-427-727272. Lick time by Paulus Combo. He joined me too long news. Long all big plus story. Long news. Na news by come up long 8:30 long to the night. Time blong me long Papua New Guinea. 9:30 time blong all one solwara blong me. All prison, all story, and by Ikam, all prison, long Bihute, prison, long Goroka, Eastern Highlands, stop long sampler something, long lanim way long famim coffee, or some suppose only lusim calabus, time long all long calabus, or he can walk him coffee farming, halvim also long rehab program, start long prison, long Bihutu house prison house calabus na by go long all this pla plenty long all young pla na also time long all finish only go long back long all village place na also only can walk him something long halivim all yet two long sample time long this pla last pla hour also behind long youth story by me cross go long London long talk one time one pla athletes long Solomon Islands long this pla Paralympic game you walk long on now long Kaspar Pule me talk behind also long 20 minutes he lose him 8 o'clock long to the night Paulus Combo now he joining with me long all top story long news long by you are him long 8:30 long to the night Bryce Paulus you got some story
Peter thank you yeah all top story blow to tell night inside long Papua New Guinea Vicar General Blong Catholic Diocese lo Kimbe lo West Northern Province lo Papua New Guinea ito kamamas so welcome him this all work pan him blong Commission of Inquiry go inside long this Sibra Baul Queen even capside long en na foreign minister blong Australia Alexander Downer been talk this all land politicians like him Australia come a papa long all big cotton farm other side long all country only Trump to so long up him name long all work politic na Indonesia police been told some only been pen him sample all explosive now something long walk him come up all bomb long inside long house long one terrorist suspect inside long Jakarta. Sample long story but you have him 8:30.
Thank you Paulus also you have him remember come back long 8:30 long bring him now last plan news long this pla for the night broadcast long Radio Australia time long sample music past time long story long all young man long house calabus lanim all kisim training long farming all also long planim coffee long halivim all yet that's all hey lick music
I wanna be just like them
crazy you are in neck blong very blong here Katie Noonan. Let me bring him time. He goes 6 minutes. He lose him 8 kilok time long Papua New Guinea, ilusim 9 kilok time long all one solora long imi long Pacific. Time long harim one pla good pla story long all young pla emoli stap long Calabus na ilanim sample something more long 5 pla 10 all Calabus or inmates long Bihute prison long Goroka long Eastern Islands. He been working one pla coffee farming training workshop or some long this pla Calabus or prison plenty long all young pla na only come up close to long Pinisim time long all long house Calabus long Bihute prison. Bihute prison he read him this pla training behind him rehabilitation program long all long halivim all inmates or people istap long Calabus long also long behind only lusim Calabus by only can halivim all yet long walk him sample something long kiss him money. Me talk one time Wesley Goye rehab program officer long Bihute house Calabus long displa program long halivim all Calabus only ready long lusim time business in time long all long Calabus long coffee farming. Wesley, you were in charge long displa rehab program long halivim all inmates all Calabus na plenty long all young pla also one pla project coffee industry corporation ibin halivim yupla longen long all young pla ikisim sampla training long kama farmer me like you story lik long this pla program long halivim all young pla all stop Calabus now also long go out long lusim Calabus now yupla halivim all long kind training also.
Yes, thank you. All katab long banis Calabus long Papua New Guinea me like this pla rehabilitation program stop here long Bihute long Goroka Eastern Islands province me like plan the all project stop na one pla long all this pla coffee me pla in long banis me like at coffee necessary stop. So one time this pla me pla invite him CIC Coffee Industry Corporation only come inside now help him lo run him this pla training long help him all Calabus man especially how long look out him coffee na sustain him.
This pla also long halivim all now long all way long look out him na plan him coffee time only lusim Calabus na also long sit down long all now long place.
Yes. This pla hintin long this pla training long help him all look saver long good pla long coffee. Good pla one benefit only can kiss him out long this coffee. Suppose only look out him good also way only na look out him long and want them help him lo CIC now all Calabus only kiss him training long how long work him necessary how long plan him coffee na how long look out him from time to time you going up long harvesting.
Wesley, you talk also all prison throughout the country got all program long all yet long rehab also long all inmates or all Calabus. So long coffee first time kind long also long house Calabus long Goroka he walk him long halivim all inmates or all prisoners.
Me play started this coffee necessary project long 2004, but this time me play work him necessary that's all me play tell him how coffee seedling go all farmers but start training been come up in this year.
Amas all prisoners only start long this project yet long training.
20 Calabus only take part long this pla. Now me play look especially all Calabus only got up ground is stop long by only can you go back now start making work long end.
Long Bihute kind project also it must work good also long plenty long all Calabus all come well long highlands yet now place long coffee.
Most of the prisoners me play carding here all locals, all Eastern Islanders. Now one only come long all Arab la hab long island. Now also you talk beneath them islands. One the commodity is pass line coffee that's all na. Also na me play try to emphasize more long go back na all coffee can.
One time knowledge here long grow him coffee na also long look out him good na also only can reap him benefit long ena.
Yes.
By something belong all yet now long also only kiss him sabe or by you got some like I him you pla direct him all long kiss him long time only stop out long Calabus.
Okay, thank you. This plus side long kiss him help him time only go out long Carabus or finish long here. All CIC got this program is finished. Coffee rehabilitation program is finished. All officers will only go out long all villages outline 1 only training all man outline 2 only providing sample legally help him all same so Carabus long here time all some training only go out all by fall underneath this plus same arrangement.
Wesley, you talk long also beauty person got this coffee garden management or nursery coffee place so he got all narapla kind crop too you play involved long and also long ting long kiss him all prisoner through long sample training long have him all also like rice or kind tea kind also
coffee tasol na narapla also west of all farm me play growing kumu na all this tasol me play na lugluglo bigger scale tasol ligilik tasol semblong alpimolong aulong wakim nursery blong all west of all na bien plantim na lukautim na all this about coffee mo one the big ligilik
all this prisoners you only come through long this training long also come up coffee farmers close to all by Ilusim house Calabus now long go back also long place na also life long all sit down long all only can walk him some walk also growing coffee long kisimoni long all
planting long all this all short temas me call him all short temas me target him all line where he got legally time long save him inside of money from 6 months down as soon as all finish now but all can ego want them this plan some close to finish
long finish blong this training blong all long come up coffee farmers you got some kind mark or some present or trophy or paper blong all
the training all same all NGO groups come na running or me play the running is I got certificate me play award him all at the end of the training all long this coffee management training or kiss him me play give him all finish certificate all CIC yet only prepare him only present him.
All right, Wesley, thank you through long you join him Radio Australia long talk long project long halibim all young plus long also come up all coffee farmer long place long all behind long house Calabus.
Thank you too.
You are in Wesley Goye, rehabilitation program officer long Bihute house Calabus long Goroka long Eastern Highlands. No time you may come up close to long 15 minutes you lose him 8 kilok long Papua New Guinea 15 minutes you lose him 9 kilok all one Solowara long you long Pacific big time by me try me go long London long talk one time one pla long all athletes so talent long Solomon Islands long this pla para Olympic Games long Kaspar Pule long about 5 minutes by you may try him long suppose you may can go reach him this pla one talk long story click long how all narpla one talk na all blowing all athletes blowing long all Pacific Island country he walk long perform long this pla Olympic Paralympic Games now on long London long this time pastime one pla hap music long Delta Goodrum Mary Australia up Mary too long sing na compose him all sing blong and believe him again. you are in neck long Delta Goodrum, believing again. Sami been talk long also me kisim one talk long Solomon Islands. He stopped long Paralympic Games long London long this time na I busy yet so by you try and long little time behind so we can kisim na talk one time long behind long news by come up little time long 8:30 behind Logan by Australia Story na by you try cross can go long London suppose we can find in one talk here Caspar long Solomon Islands one long all athletes long take part long this Paralympic Games long now. All right, you got time long some little cup music more pastime long news by Ikamat. Now this by come long Benjamin Zero na fashion reggae. I think you meet time at this you look some nice music to you long for the night. Big scary this plan na mi plan talk apologize or some mi plan no been up long connect one time one talk long Solomon's Caspar long London long Paralympic but behind long news now Australia Story by mi plan cross can na you mi can talk one time long when all Pacific athletes walk long make him long display Paralympic long London long display time. Any time now, long news, 8:30.
Radio Australia News, me Paulus Kombolong. This is a program. Vicar General Blong Catholic Diocese Blong Kimbelo Papua New Guinea. I talk Paris. I welcome him all work pen in Blong Commission of Inquiry. All Foreign Minister Blong Australia. I talk all politicians. I talk against him Australia business. And what he like up him name Blong all. Now Indonesia police. I talk all some what he pen him simple explosive. Now simple something Blong working bomb. Radio Australia News, me Paulus Kombo. Inside long Papua New Guinea, Vicar General Blong Catholic Diocese, inside long Kimbe, Western Britain, long Gabriel Tovo, he took some house Lotu or church, he took him a mass, so welcome him, walk pan him, Blong Commission of Inquiry, go inside display about Queen. Ami bin capside longen. This place been capside long moon February he could finish na something also 140 people been die longen. Government talk by behind him this place ting long commission. This place commission been penny molosem this place been appreciate mark long all past India na mi wog long karem. Si been good plan long operate na good plan long work too long all the time no good or weather good plan na all behind him sample long all rule. Envirobal Queen ibin capside inside long Sholwara Mark long Morobe province behind long ibin Lusim Kimbe. Gabriel Tuvo ibin talking Pacific beat to all some all family member long all display line who said ibin equal loose long display birua he like looking all display line he come up him asua long any masan up long I long court.
That is good news for the families affected. Very much so, they anticipate that and they look forward to the fact that those responsible should be taken to justice and answer for it before court.
All Foreign Minister Blong Australia Alexander Downer ibin talk all display politicians like him Australia ikama papa long all big cotton farm outside long country itram long up him name long all tasol. Behind long ibin lusim work politic Mr. Downer ibin work long have him China textile company more call him long Sendong Ruwi inside long all work long long kisim all big plus say inside long QB station where Australia got big irrigation license long in. That's all Mr. Downer ibin togolsem big talk against him Asian investment inside long Australia by bagarap him to solo work peren.
Whether the owner of the station
is an Australian citizen or is a foreign citizen isn't logically going to make the slightest difference. After all, let's be clear about this. A foreign owner isn't able to pick it up and take it away.
Indonesia police been talk only been penning sample explosive na or something belong walking come up all bomb long inside long house belong one terrorist suspect inside long Jakarta. This house belong man only been call him name belong Muhammad Tariq. I been walk long runway long hand belong walk long runway long hand belong police now long this time na ori walk long penny yet long terror group I walk long walk boom one time. Mouse man belong national police long Indonesia Roy Raffley I been toggle some sample line I get save long bomb long I walk long make him more or walk penny me go inside long inside long sample long all display device only been penny more some only pull my been plan the old nail through inside long na two all half paper long show him all way or road long walk him come up all bomb long him. One Australia business lobby group been talking to all public sector union I walk long I go ahead now long come up him all ting now long come up him all strike long straight him all ting chorus inside long all workplace. James Glenn the report he come long Parliament House all some number he show him all some the long Australian Bureau of Statistics he show him number been go end up long all day Elizabeth lose him nothing long all kind strike all some. Peter Anderson long Australian Chamber of Commerce na industry he been talk desela ino good long all work business.
What we have also seen is a strike first and talk later approach by some union.
That's all Chet Kenny, belong Australian Council of Trade Union, he been told some old business, he need him all strong law. And he been told some old strike now, the so long all conservative state government close to it down him all health na education.
It's really wrong and quite irresponsible to blame this on the Fair Work Act.
And we've been talk number belong all industrial act or strike inside long Australia, no big blah. Now, this has been Radio Australia News.
No, thank you, Paulus Convo. Last plan news, long walk broadcast, long display phone the night by you can have him Narapla News broadcast, long Radio Australia, long night, long 9 o'clock, long news, long English. Now you walk long Harim broadcast, long one him up, me pla talk welcome long you Australia story, time now, long Harim one pla Australia story, na telenight, one pla Australia company, Kuth Energy, he walk long make him walk pine him out, long all prospecting, long kirapim one pla geothermal plant or power station antap long Takara long a fire island long producing electricity round long a fate long Vanuatu. And we been start making all walk pine him out or survey start long 2009. Now this bla walk blong him and we come up in pennies all talk you know like him passing and me behind him long all survey walk blong him. By Sponjui talk one time Lopez Adam Mouseman blong MO people na to one pla long all hot spring stop long all village blong em. And we talk, you know, like him passing this pla company, go ahead, long dig him all ground, blong all garden, blong all time, and we survey, long come up in one pla geothermal plant, long ground, belong all.
Good energy, originated from Australia, and only got other prospects around the Pacific. Only claims only got other one already existing geothermal plant somewhere in Australia and some other places. Back in 2009, only come lo Vanuatu and with them prospect lo set them up one geothermal plant lo efate. And then only colo all gardens only go around the area where emi hot lo place plomivela. And then only start blow doing all surface lo garden without first ask him all landowners where only got all garden flow all keda. And then only involve for them one community and very few people before public emisave only involve for them very few people and one or two chiefs law area and then only timol survey which I mean totally against them custom lo mifla all man Vanuatu in save ko lo cut and blow somebody and do anything where you like him. Even got fence or wall, me trespass. So back in 2009, only start making chauffeur and then only making findings for and then only release him lo media and then only start making claim say he got big potential and that World Bank by me release him one big money to build him a charitable plan. But only no even consult them everyone lo community blomi and only no even come lo house blomi blo magam awareness about any disadvantages or advantages kasem today only still call one community one village no more.
So this company at Cool Energy for Emmy go inside and being a sampler some you talk people were not informed like give him a sampler forward warning longer the activities belong land belong all food gardens the government give him okay long and he go inside is long understanding belong you.
Well, meeting government Emmy blame but all nitty-gritty all small details by government Emmy no have responsible by Emmy must could energy must got responsibility ablo got respect and meeting se government Emmy got expectation lo could Emmy got respect lo all landowners but so far lo media could Emmy always come out lo publishing M1 all the side stories for M1 and positive sides for M1 and all advantages for M1 and Emi not tell him out lo public one em now Emi start happen no way one em now feeling thinking fear blow all residents close up blow hotspot there. So government too Emi no sabe say could Emi go as far as without consultation lo community without asking permission lo one gardens blow landowners. So me think say government Emi no so
all chiefs along all islands here, also you come along and you got chiefs, and all representatives belong all people. Now, how only stop along the situation? Only got information. It come along the operation or also more them.
Okay, right now situation me also a lot of people, 90% all people only know well informed. And we've looked at one very, very, very low literacy rate, low area blomi. Very few people no more only go low any higher education, and very few graduate one increasing population. So you may find them say because literacy and really low, people only know well informed, people only know understand them full of something low one foreign language, and because from a lot of people only know literate lo English, for example, it means full of some few people is have a control mass population. Then all use intimidation, all forms of intimidation, all coercions, all people say if something he could, suppose you go against some good project, but if they run them out, you look around, you just one minority, you know that number, if they got particular number with them good. And suppose project me good, and we got profit, if they walk, but if they run them out, you feel out, and we can some opposition law good energy or project. So full of people, young kids, all old people, especially, all marginalized, so that only no mobilized to mass, only got big fear, but only no have talked out from all structures, lo community, but me feel like me make them say me very, very hard, only come out, save express thinking bloketa, opinions bloketa, and me exist lo full of meetings full Vanuatu that some few people no more control certain communities and the rest of the communities so suppress under law bloketa.
Lopez, you already talk, and you live close to along this hot spring. Now, long understanding belong you, this good energy, even enough longer giving you say proposal or a picture on how a big this project by staff long time and it start like him thermal energy and starting we go along power along generating power go along say Vanuatu along Port Vila and that kind of stuff.
Yes, it got big potential. I think prospect stops electricity every homes around FAD Island where include Port Vila. capital of Vanuatu, because geothermal emi one renewable source of energy, emi no sa finish. Now, Stan Blo Yumi, according lo could energy, emi give him out some blueprint lo how project by emi coed. Amas land politekem or lilisim, and how big by me factory or plant here by me set up. Emi looking around maybe 40 hectares of land. When by me happen, say once politekem lanya, and then he got peripheral developments whereby me happen around them. It means could by me attract them full up nara development partners or whatever blow only start block cluster around area blow mivela. And me got fear say next few years by only start blow move out all natives from say only very low literacy blow understand anything when we start quiet na yeah. So yeah, I mean not just 40 hectares of land whereby could be taken and how by me taken illegally or legally, but it means the effect lo geothermal plant yeah by me kasem full up outside the area where only interest land.
Yuarim Lopez Adam, I talk makim Emau people long Vanuatu, more long this plus story behind one time Lopez Adam long this plus service. Now you walk long for manim talk pisin broadcast na awesome SMS number blomipla I stop long story long Mary I go still him pikini baby long narapla Marys na question me pla put him long you long to the night long by when am I true na also all Mary sa walk him also long still him baby long narapla also long way too long stop him when am ting blow you SMS number blow me pla +61 427 727272 number blow me pla long you can sell him ting blow you come na me pla can share him long read him out long program suppose he know tonight tomorrow you may can come back long talk or harim all ting blong people long all me plawok long try me long go long London long this time suppose me can kiss him one talk here long Solomons me start long this Paralympics long kiss him some story long ground also when him something walk long happen performance long all Pacific athletes he also in them suppose long Solomon Islands Vanuatu one long Fiji been winning gold na also good plan news but he look also me had sorry Thomas long mi plano nap long kisimem long to the night but by me you walk long try me he got time long you me harim one plahap music long this time.
Mr. 685, yeah, Coupe, Seaside Boy, with records, we out.
Okay, now me apologize, also sorry too much, we plakis him, me plab in talk one time, and me lost him long line, also me must time long me must tight also long go long sample long all meeting or kind also na tomorrow me try again but time long really sample long all SMS message you Salim thank you too much we must talk thank you through Paulus plenty line through long also respond long this question blong you me go long all there.
Sorry, lo this la question blong you know one primary go still him one beginning long house long and because you know Olgata, yumi olgata come up long family kat ol piginini na kain ol sem na desela kain story ol sem oli pilim ol sem ami come up lo life long lo sit down long ol na desela now I megim na plandi wok long kapsa dim ol beki mi kam lo desela SMS lo yumi so trapla thank you to mas long ol listener I wok lo respond kam lo desela question lo yumi now number one yumi kisim mi luk lo yumi luk now na number one mi kisim number one SMS I togol sem good night nemblo mi Felix White, mi haram istablo Balimo, lo Western Province. Good plapasin old Mary, is have a walk him, still him old piginini. Iabrisim lo na kain Mary olsem, olima sakalabusim all. Thank you true. Desla tok blong Felix White lo Balimo. Thank you to mas Alex or lo Felix lo SMS or Beckham blong you. I'm thinking blow you.
Yes, nice pla. One pla me come long Bougainville this pla SMS blong Titus also me talk South Bougainville na long ting blong me talk also meeting also mama inogat pikini na still good pla long all I must true also we must look him all mama na kain also so good pla pass I think hit him on the nail straight also someplace I walk him long this pla because only inogat pikini. Thank you, nice pla pass Titus long South Bougainville.
All right, thinking blow you, Titus. Good night, blow you too. Na narapla, mi togol sem desela Mary, ibin kisim desela 4 day baby longin. Mi lugol sem, I think mama ya, mi kat plandi ol piginini na narapla Mary, mi kisim lo halabi mem lo lookoutim. And because sample family, it got big population. Desela ting ikam lo mi, Joe Posa. Lo buin lo Bougainville too. Joe Posa, big pla thank you. Ting blow you, Beckham blow you. Good night lo you too, Joe.
Sorry, this pla pass come long usatia long sorry, no give him what him have. Oh again, sorry. My apology. And Emi talk also look also Mary save kirapim pikini I attempt na long still now. Very unique case also one talk here also I talk ting blong so thank you long display.
All right, thank you, Lord. Okay, Bekim na ting blow you. Narapla, I talk also talk fishing service, Radio Australia. All Mary is have still more baby long house yeah. Trapla maret ino save pen piginini ikam still or also manem maret bagrap nem blong mi Timon Kep blo porma Timon Bekim blow you tok blong you Trapla thank you big night blow you Timon Kep blo porma too.
Right, John long place VVO Bana, South Bougainville, na I talk also meeting display Mary, save simuk well kind also na display picking ni also I right now also me go long karim picking ni blong narapla so ting blong John long South Bougainville.
All right. John, thank you long possibly you can good night lo you long have to. Narapla itogol sem mi Michael Tongom councillor inside yet lo Central Inland lo Pomio LLG. I like talk lo desela Mary still him desela pikinini no Christian Mary one pla PPM Mary is have a round nothing na kind also lo city sorry true is have a round nothing lo city desela talk na ting blong you Michael big pla thank you lo Beckham blow you too.
Bill I salim SMS come long Morobe long lay Morobe province na emitok displa all time still baby only pay him well long salim na kisim big pla money put him kind also long all kind also long calabus. True, maybe some only demand him money long also long papa mama kiss him back baby.
Yeah, true. But this all kind something also nupla kind something you mean in something when you come up nupla. So anyway, thank you long back in blong. Now reply me talk I'm still baby because I'm mas adore him baby or baby answer stop lo still Mary Peter Pogan lo buin Bougainville. Thank you too much Peter lo back in blong you too.
Yes, I think all display pass me pla kisim all display SMS long SMS message. Thank you to Masa Paulus long all time long all long Salim all message come long one pla also me talk issue new pla something long come up long country also long you mean long Papua New Guinea. Now said because also suppose family value me big plus something also long papa mama only got picking also only value also big plus something you me all got I got picking also but said because all darpla only no got na you me find him also now common now long you me long Papua New Guinea.
All right. Thank you too much. Look back in blow you. Look forward to night question also. Na answer again tomorrow night lo one can time. Thank you too much.
Me pla talk try pla thank you through along plenty all SMS time to walk long bit him me to pla long read him all this pla SMS message blow you pla. So thank you too much. Tomorrow can narapla night long you make can put him one pla question, ask him long you put him thinking he come long some pla long all issues he come up long news na me time close to long me pla talk goodbye long broadcast long Radio Australia long narapla night me pla talk sorry ken me pla no bin up long kisim one talk long Solomon Islands Casper long Paralympics long London me pla try long kisimem me pla connect na also long ring back na kisimem now long live me pla lusimem so me pla talk sorry long otherwise tomorrow by me try ken na sampla long all question blue pla ken thank you one pla time all one talk sorry to Mars the sol long walk broadcast long Radio Australia narapla night radio friend Peter Jonah me stop long stereo Makim Paulus combo long producer Blomi long bring him all this story na music na also long question you pla me pla put him long you back him finish long SMS na thank you too much by you me bunken also me talk finish tomorrow night same time good night now.
Tasol long talk pisin, tasol sabek lo harim news long talk English. Good night.